so stay with me. Let me show you how you can make $10 from every picture that you upload or post on this app. So this app will give you $10 on every single picture that you post on their platform, and I'm going to walk you through a step by step on how you can do that, how you go about everything step by step. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, stay with us, and let's make money together. Let's get started. So first thing, open your phone. I'll put the link in the description, and this is the app called FootArt, FOAP. You download it, and the first option that you see, so this person did a mission and he gained $200. We have other stars also here. He sold this image or this photo for $10 and this photo also for $10. So this is how it works. You post your photo or you participate in a mission, then you make money from it. So to create your account, you tap on it. The first thing, you enter your name, that's what the account name. You enter your email address, then you set up your password and other stuff. After you've done, then you hit on create to create your account, and make sure you always remember your password. Start setting up your account. Here you choose your country, the country you are now, you choose that country, then you hit on next. You set up your gender. If you are male, you choose male. So here you're going to select the budget, okay, in case someone want to deal with you, your portfolio. And here you set, you enter your bio, okay, something about yourself. And we have portfolio, that means you are telling people about your, you are setting up your account and start uploading images or videos into your account. That's what portfolio. But this one we will not start it now, we will just continue with it. Here we have news feed, that means the trending, how the news that is going. And we have mission, you participate in the mission, you make money. We have crowd, like pages and stuff that we find on YouTube, the Facebook and stuff. That's what they call crowd on this app, okay. And we have award, in case you participate in the mission, you see the awards here. And this video that we seen here, and we have this video also want $400, and this one also $400 from a mission that they participate, that have what gain them this sum of amount, okay. So you can follow crowd and know the trending now, and you can participate in a mission. This mission, in case you participate, the first one, you get $150, okay. So you click on the mission, you read about the requirement, other stuff, then you take part on that mission. After completing and you get selected, then you'll be able to want that amount that you want set up out there, right? So you read it to understand everything, okay. So participating in the mission and posting your own images and stars also what will help you earn from this app. And you post an image, you post a video, like short videos and stars also will help you gain and recognition, like brands and stuff will see you, so that you can make money from it. So all these are missions that are there that you can take part. You hit on the third dot alliance here, you see these options here. We have manage photo, manage video, we have portfolio and stuff, okay. In case you want to buy a coin, you can buy your coin by hitting on it and buy your coin, right? So this coin helps you to take a lot of activities on this app, okay. So you can buy the coins out here. We have so many stuff. You can check out your sales, you can do your settings and stuff, right? So to withdraw, you come here, tap on your sales, you see your withdrawal and other stuff. In case you want to withdraw, you just hit on it and withdraw your amount money, okay. To set up your payment method, they accept PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you can check out this video. I have how a video how you can get a PayPal account. in any country, so you can check it up. Then you add your PayPal account, and the minimum withdrawal is $50 from this app, right? So you can set all this up, and once your account is set complete and you take part and participate on this stuff, in case you post a video or an image on the platform, they sort this image or these videos to brands and stuff. So we have brands out there that are looking for such images or such videos to be used for their brand promotion and stuff. So when you go there and post it out there and they find it and interested in that video, they'll buy the video or the image. So that's how they manage or they used to make money and give you the share of that money, right? And this is the other way that you need to pay attention to. Make sure any video that you upload or you post be your personal video or your personal images that you have downloaded and you are taking part in the mission and stuff. Make sure the needed or the recommend choose that they are looking for, you'll be able to use those things and those stars to be able to create your videos and your take your images and stuff. And one thing is you follow other crowd and stuff to study how they perform their works. They post videos, they post images and stuff, so that you too can follow their step and make money from this app. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If this video add value to you, let's get your likes and follow us for more content. See you in the next video. If you don't have PayPal for your withdrawal, we have a video about that. You can check it out and get your PayPal account set up fully without any limitation and stuff.